Hello and good day. I hope you are doing well today. In this video, I am going to show you how you can use Excel to do calculation. It is obvious that Excel is used for calculation, but there is a much easier way and a better way to do calculation in Excel, especially for valve industry. A lot of calculation involves engineering formulas and many things are there which are little difficult, if you just start to put references to cell. Rather than that, we will use a different technique to see how calculation can be done. So let us see. Here we can see that a very simple, here we have to calculate the thickness of the pipe. Very simple configuration. OD minus ID, that will be this area, divided by 2, that will give us the thickness. So let us assume our OD is 100 mm and ID is say 50 mm. So our thickness will be basically, let me put it, 100 minus, so this will be C2 minus C3 divided by 2. So we have 25 mm. This is the standard way of doing it. I mean, very simple. And but in the valve industry, when we are designing a valve, it is not as simple. There are a lot of values from the body calculation that will go into the bonnet calculation, or there is a lot of connection between all these calculations. So I will show you a different way of doing it, the same thing. Okay, so what I will do is, let me copy this again straight away. So this I will name it, this I will name this cell, the input cell, I will name it as, this will be say OD. So we put here, after you put the name, you just enter it, and then say here it is, this is ID. So instead of C8, this will be ID, and you put an enter. Okay, and instead of thickness, now here I want the formula. So what I will do, equal to OD. So it automatically gives us the reference here, minus ID divided by 2. Okay, now what we see is that we are doing the same thing, but however I will put in a different perspective. For example, I want the thickness here, which was calculated in the previous sheet. So one way what I will do is I will say equal to, and I will take it from here, and it will come. And second way of doing it is, obviously I will name this as THK, for example, thickness. So this is thickness, and once I go here, I will say THK. So you can see the difference of working in one sheet. You can take values from other, you can give references to different cells using this very simple technique. Okay, I will show you a little complex formula where we have used this technique, and you will see the difference of how to work in a much easier way. Here, this is basically calculation of number of springs for soft seated ball, tunnel mounted soft seated ball valve, 12-inch 300. So for each one of them, we have given name DN, then PC, then DE, DM, all that. And here there is a formula. So in this formula, if you see, pi by 4 DE raised to 2 DM raised to 2 into P plus FA whole raised to 1.1, that is our FP. Very easy way, you can just simply calculate. And suppose if you want this value somewhere else, okay, FP is to be used somewhere else, for example. So I'll just name this as FP, and I will use it, say for example here I want an FP. So in very simple way you can use this. It's a good technique. Use it, let me know how you feel as compared to normal working. And it's not limited to engineering. Many of the balance sheets that have been prepared in Excel, here there also you can use this technique. It will save a lot of confusion and error. So use it and do let me know. Thank you.